How to Protect the American Democracy and Our Economy. Presented by Rational Americans. Our mission: to provide candidates and legislators with solutions and reforms that will appeal to the majority of American voters, regardless of party affiliations. Our tax code is rigged to favor wealthy donors, corporations, and special interests. 80% of American wealth is owned by the top 10%. Our government is broke and starving for revenue. The outrage! In 2011, collectively, corporations paid less than 1% in taxes. This year, thanks to the Trump and McConnell tax cuts, they will pay even less. 2019 federal budget. Budget: $4.407 trillion. Revenue: $3.422 trillion. Deficit: $985 billion. More borrowing, more debt. U.S. national debt interest paid. Fiscal year 2018, $523 billion. October to January 2019, $192 billion. Fiscal year 2019, $800 billion. It's time for rational solutions. In fact, what we need is a permanent solution, which is designed to keep the hands of the politicians and their campaign donors off the tax code for good. It's time we adopted a tax code designed to generate the revenue needed to fund our nation's needs and pay off this absurd debt. This can be done. Solution number 1: fair, automatic, simple tax. Fair, automatic, simple tax, FAST, consists of two rates: permanent rate, 2% to 19.4%. Debt reduction rate, DRR. DRR activates automatically when there's a national debt and disappears when the national debt is paid off. The key to tax reform: eliminate deductions, loopholes, and special credits. This is how the wealthy avoid paying their fair share. Fair, automatic, simple tax. All deductions, special credits, and loopholes eliminated. All income is taxable. FAST keeps politicians' hands off the tax code. The $22 trillion debt is gradually paid off in about 10 years. Fair, automatic, simple tax. FAST rates are based on IRS statistics, not voodoo economics. FAST lowers tax rates for all taxpayers, including corporations. FAST generates revenue needed to fund healthcare, education, infrastructure, national security, etc. Fair, automatic, simple tax. FAST saves billions in national debt interest, IRS publications, postage, etc. For most employed and self-employed taxpayers, federal income tax return filing would become a thing of the past. Fair, automatic, simple tax. How DRR rate affects debt payoff. 3 scenarios. Fair, automatic, simple tax. What we get: no more deficits, no more debt or interest, fiscal responsibility, solvent government. U.S. solvency equals world peace. Solvency would once again make the U.S. the dependable leader of the free world, on which world peace depends. Foreign policy imperative. A solvent U.S. would be better able to challenge Chinese and Russian expansionism throughout the world. Here's the thing: once FAST is adopted, healthcare, education, infrastructure, and other necessary programs can be addressed immediately because the national debt will automatically go down every year until it is paid off. No more excuses. Before we go, a word to those who work so hard to protect our democracy and endeavor to bring a sense of normalcy, equality, and opportunity to all the members of our great American society. Stop purity tests. Purity tests, personality cults, empty visions, and the same old rhetoric are what got us where we are. Don't be fooled. Call out politicians who go around promising all things to all people with no clue as to how they're going to pay for what they offer. Thanks for watching.